drivereasy. Why is drivereasy reporting that the driver needs to be updated? drivereasy, like other driver update software, scans your system to identify outdated, missing, or mismatched drivers and compares them with its database of the latest driver versions. Here are a few reasons why it might be reporting that a driver needs to be updated. 1. New driver version released. The manufacturer of the hardware component has released a new version of the driver that includes bug fixes, performance improvements, or new features. 2. Compatibility updates. Updated drivers may improve compatibility with new software, operating system updates, or other hardware components. 3. Security updates. Newer drivers can include security patches that fix vulnerabilities found in older versions. 4. Performance enhancements. New drivers can offer better performance, stability, and efficiency. 5. Bug fixes. If there were issues or bugs with the current driver, the updated version might have fixes for these problems. 6. Database updates. drivereasy continuously updates its database with the latest drivers from hardware manufacturers. If a newer driver version is added to their database, it will flag your current driver as outdated if it's not the latest version. 7. System mismatch. Sometimes, the drivers installed on your system might not be the best match for your specific hardware configuration, and drivereasy identifies a more appropriate version. If drivereasy reports that a driver needs to be updated, it's generally a good practice to check the details of the update and see if it applies to your hardware and needs. If the driver update addresses critical issues or improvements, it's advisable to update it. However, if everything is working fine and the update doesn't offer significant benefits, you might choose to wait before updating. Always ensure to create a backup or restore point before updating drivers to prevent potential issues.